And you are watching. You are watching. You are watching. You find out after the break.
Hello, I'm Violet Black, and I'm going to teach. I won't pick it up.
I'll show you. I'm going to teach this chainsaw to learn how to boogie his butt. So, first moves, we are doing the salsa. So first you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go groove, then 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 groove, and back again. And you're moving your hips. Look, this is what your feet are doing. They're going like, and you, and you, and you, and you. Okay, chainsaw, you get that, baby? Okay. Now, so all together, let's try it out. So just warm up. Gonna stretch, and then stretch, and then touch the ground, and then now 1, 2, 3, 4, and new, and new, and new now. New, Okay, chainsaw. At the end, you guys will be able to see this chainsaw dance. So we need to teach him real good moves. Okay, so next we will be learning how to do samba. Okay, samba. You put your hands out like this, and you go do 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 do. Oh wait, is that the limbo? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, so with samba you go. Let me just do it. Okay, you can see my employee trying to do it. Come on, help me. Okay, next thing we will be teaching him to waltz. I need you, employee.
Oh no.
Okay, go like this. So we go, so we go 1, 2, 3, then back, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. Me and my employee were just practicing for the waltzing. The next thing we are teaching the chainsaw how to waltz. Oh, I have a head, don't worry. So you go 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. So you go do 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 do. Don't worry, I'm okay. I got it covered. Next thing I think we'll be learning jazz. Yeah, jazz. Yeah, jazz. Yeah. Okay, coming up. So here I am with the moves to jazz up your party. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, go down, and then go. Ow! Ow!
Like Michael Jackson.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I'm sorry, but I think my comrade is probably going to die laughing. You're very loud here.
Ow! Foot! So here I am going to teach you how to jazz up the party. So first we kind of go a bit loose. We go You know, just feel loosen up. Now just go. And then and then yeah. Yep, that's how you do jazz. I think. Yeah. I don't know jazz. So let's move on to ballet next. Bye. Oh, there you are. Just ordering some popcorn. You want some? Well, you can't have any. So, I guess now we're doing ballet. First we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is it with her? Stop the thing. Stop it.
No, that's pretty funny.
Is it stop?
No.
Stop it. Is it playing yet? Tell me.
One?
Is it recording yet?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Sorry, people. Popcorn is so decadent.
that's what you say for not giving me your popcorn. Ow! Your face is all red. Oh, is this what everything is going to be like?
So I guess now we will be doing ballet. Here's how you start. Put your hands up above your head and go round and round on your tippy toes. Round and round. Round and round. Round and round. There you go. That's some ballet for you, Chainsaw and watchers on YouTube. Yeah.